5 Most Effective Home Remedies for Scalp Acne. Although acne breakouts are more common on the facial skin, a number of people suffer from breakouts on the scalp. Scalp acne is a bothersome problem that is often mistaken for an inflammatory scalp condition called scalp folliculitis. Although scalp acne is not a serious scalp condition, nevertheless, treating acne breakouts on the scalp is more difficult than treating facial acne. While your hair hides the zits on the scalp, treating the acne with anti-acne medications can make your hair messy. Fortunately, some simple home remedies are available that help in treating the acne breakouts on the scalp with ease. To banish scalp acne, you can try the following home remedies. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix half cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. Rinse your scalp with the diluted vinegar. The mild acidic content of apple cider vinegar helps in destroying the acne-causing bacteria. Acetic acid in vinegar helps in restoring the normal pH of the scalp, which prevents the bacteria from growing on the scalp. Moreover, the astringent property of vinegar reduces excess sebum secretion. By reducing the excess oiliness of the scalp, it reduces the risk of further breakouts. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is another effective remedy for scalp acne. Tomato is a natural source of salicylic acid, which is a common ingredient in over-the-counter anti-acne products. Salicylic acid helps in drying the zits. Moreover, by unclogging the hair follicles, it helps in preventing further breakouts. The mild acidic property of tomato juice also helps in restoring the natural scalp pH. Lemon and rose water. The antibacterial property of lemon makes it the ideal anti-acne agent. It also acts as an astringent and reduces the excess oiliness of the scalp, thereby preventing recurrent acne breakouts. Rose water helps in soothing and cooling the scalp, which helps in speeding up the healing process. It is also a natural antiseptic that can help in destroying the acne-causing bacteria. Mix lemon juice and rose water in equal proportions. Rinse your scalp with the mixture. Garlic. Garlic is an effective kitchen remedy for scalp acne. It is a natural antibiotic. It also contains salicylic acid, which is widely used for treating acne. Crush 3 to 4 garlic cloves and boil it in 2 quarts of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse your scalp with the garlic tea. Leave the garlic tea on your scalp for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Honey and cinnamon. Both honey and cinnamon are natural antibiotics. They inhibit growth of the acne-causing bacteria. To treat your scalp acne, mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 2 teaspoons of honey. Apply the mixture on the zits. Leave the cinnamon and honey mixture on your scalp for 20 minutes. Then rinse your scalp and hair.